Oh yeah. It was just 2 days in a row.
I need to boil water.
Is this a drill?
I don't know.
Well, I'll tell you what. If it's not, then that siren's gonna go off.
Why are you recording that? Why are you recording it?
Cause I just.
Oh yeah, that's right. You have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, I just forgot. I'm just gonna. You know. While I'm waiting.
Just leave me in there.
Just gonna play my DS.
Obviously, the fire's not there, so. What do you want from me?
I don't think it's a drill.
Why?
I'm just gonna wait.
Why don't you think it's a drill?
There's no smoke. I won't think it's
Well, even though that just may not be, even if they do go off, it just may not be a fire.
Like I said, it could be carpentry.
No, you said cabinet making, but yeah.
Well, I'll tell you.
It should make sense.
Can I tell you one thing though?
It should make sense.
I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna ask him
It's
if
in
we
that
set off
hallway,
the-
that's for sure.
Well, you know what?
Could also
There's
be
gonna be a
rolling.
siren over there.
I thought really there's a fire somewhere.
Well, Schnecksville's right over here, and if their siren goes off, that means it's real.
I just asked somebody in cabinet
happened?
making if they set off another alarm.
Wait, somebody said there's smoke. Wait, is there smoke somewhere?
Oh my God! Joey! You are here! Loud and proud, Haley!
Here. Carlos. Anna Maria.
Here.
Tristan.
Here.
Corday. Juliana. I'm looking down. You need to listen. Carly.
Here.
Jared.
Here.
Carter. Ariana.
Here.
Kira.
Here.
Chris.
Here.
Ken.
Here.
Eric.
Here.
Sydney.
Here.
Beyonce. Iverson. Jasmine. Amaris. Rebecca.
Is here.
I like that.
That was smart.
Where's Amaris? I wrote this room E210 on the wrong person. Okay,
I have a feeling that siren's gonna go off.
I called everybody, right?
Yeah.
He said it wasn't cabinet making. So they didn't set off another alarm.
Well, you never
So
know.
it's either a fire drill or real.
Somebody pulled it.
It's not a fire drill because the teacher said it wasn't going to drill.
Well, then the siren's gonna go
Yeah,
off.
but it could be one of the other labs setting it off like before.
I'll take that. I feel like we'll just set it up. Like, no, I'm not. I don't want to smash it.
I feel like you have to hold the alarm.
Because I already asked them.
I didn't touch your foot. I touched your apron.
Can set their alarms off.
Culinary could, if you think about it. Yeah, they have kitchen and stuff that have caught fire.
Well, I'm talking about like sawdust or something.
Yeah, sure.
It could be dust, smoke.
Somebody pulled the alarm to try to get people out in the
It
hall.
wasn't cabinet making because they just told me that wasn't.
So what lot are we in?
Because if it was cabinet making, he would have
Wait,
told
what
me
parking
that.
lot?
he
What
was
parking
just-
lot are we
B,
in?
boy.
What parking lot are we in?
I just said boy.
B, I think.
B, Bravo, boy.
Okay. Just making sure because
I think it's B. Oh no, wait, this is slot 4, my bad.
lot 4, alright. So
It didn't go off this long the other times when they accidentally set it off.
I'm saying somebody set off and there's something going on. in the
Either
school.
somebody pulled it.
If somebody pulled it and it was waiting for people to go out in the halls, then I'm booking it. I'm going home. I'm booking it.
I just want to go get my.
I love how the alarms isn't even in sync. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, sure.
Right, you hear them going off over there, they're not going off over there, but when they go off over there, they're not going off over there.
Yeah, that's
He
true.
just asked me if it was us. I said no.
Yeah, no, it's not us. We barely even got started. I barely even got done washing my hands.
So maybe culinary?
You have Jake's number or whatever.
No.
No? I don't know any other culinary kid. Except for like upper levels. I don't know.
We definitely would have heard Schnecksville by now.
Yeah, sure. You're right.
Well, if it was just art, if it was just this building, then theirs wouldn't go off.
Hold on, somebody.
My cousin's texting me now.
I'm confused. I think auto body's down there.
Is he over there? Yeah.
I think auto body's down there. Yeah.
I would check my scanner, but I'm recording at the
If I
moment.
had to guess, somebody must have pulled it.
I said I would check my scanner, but I'm recording at the moment.
What are you recording?
Ah, shit, I better go turn on the alarm. That'll distract everybody.
Ariana.
How dare you, Jewel?
It smells weird.
Huh?
It smells weird.
Yeah, it does.
Not like smoke.
Like, I don't smell anything burnt.
Carter.
Maybe somebody farted and it set off the fire alarm.
Maybe it was that stinky. Tristan, did you fart and set off the alarm?
God, I think it was you.
Cause I can tell you what. If
Oh,
you
that
just-
actually does smell though.
You smell it?
Yeah. What is that, wood?
It almost smells like wood, doesn't it?
Yeah, I
Burnt
think
wood?
yeah, wood caught fire. Something caught fire.
Maybe.
No, not like on that. Like.
Shit, I forgot what I was gonna say.
I just want to get my bag out of my locker. I don't care about anything
I
else.
just want to go back in and grab my sweatshirt.
Nah.
I just want to go grab my backpack from my locker.
Thanks for poking my viewers.
Me too.
Like, I got shit in there.
Can you not?
Okay.
If not, I'm gonna put you on
I never
YouTube.
leave my phone for this specific reason.
Why you want to be on YouTube? Everybody, this is my friend Tristan.
Yeah. Commercial bacon.
You guys want to be on YouTube?
Yeah, he actually has a YouTube channel.
344 subscribers. Want to be on YouTube? I won't put you on YouTube. If you don't want to.
Yeah,
I don't care.
You just blur the face. So
I don't care.
I don't even have a computer. I don't even know how to blur faces. My bad.
I really don't care.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
I
if you
wouldn't do
want.
it. If you don't want, then yeah.
Listen, if it's up to you, then I won't do it.
Sure, you can. I don't care.
One of my other friends.
I'm Ariana.
So there are some of my college friends. Tristan, knock it off.
Go you.
Okay. So we've been sitting out here for what, 5-10 minutes already?
Yeah, I think something like wood. One of the working areas set off.
Oh. Somebody turn it off.
Oh, that's actually good then.
Okay, fire tour is over. Bye bye.